In the big picture, my life doesn't matter much, and that's a very humbling lesson from nature. That's why I'm so thankful for this adventure. I'm a feral animal, an untamed spirit. What I love the most is to travel, to explore the unknown, to challenge myself, to get lost in the wild. I paddle to the horizon, and here I connect once again with the life force. And I learn from every conversation with like-minded people that know more than me. I'm here living the life. I write down my thoughts, trying to capture these feelings somehow, trying to trap these emotions forever on paper. An attempt to register these memories on a blank page. Endurance, perseverance, the right mindset, a healthy diet. I feel grounded. I am committed. I will keep pushing. The city lights don't attract me, but the moon in a starry sky blow my mind away every time. Concrete roads take us nowhere. It's only when I'm brave enough to follow my own path that I'll arrive at my destination. Buildings are just boxes full of empty dreams that some people call houses. When I'm off the map, I feel at home. I open my arms and I open my mind. The wind on my face, the dust in my hair, the sun on my skin, joy. I'm loving this moment, and I feel blessed by witnessing the miracle of being right here, right now. These mountains, these rivers, this never-ending desert. I can't believe I'm surrounded by all this majestic greatness. Here, I'm at peace, and right in front of me, a bridge to solace.